Hello, thank you for watching this video. I actually made this video for 4 completely different reasons. First of all, I was afraid to unlearn how to make videos. I haven't made videos for a long time, and according to Peter McKinnon, there was a fair chance that I would unlearn the craft. The second reason is that I own a GoPro Hero 10 already for a number of years, but I only used it for action movies while skiing, and I was always curious how it would work as a vlogging tool and as a vlogging camera, so I really wanted to try that, and it seemed to be a good reason to do so. The third reason is that I'm currently making a review video of the Panasonic Lumix 14mm 2.5 lens, and I wanted to take some pictures with that lens. And finally, I just wanted to see if I could create videos through a slightly shorter workflow. So I'm now doing a short hike near the Adelheid Clinic, but I'm very curious. I never used this GoPro camera for blogging with these settings, so I hope we're successful. And we're going to take some pictures with this camera, and especially the lens which I'm reviewing at the moment. It's the Panasonic Lumix 14mm 2.5. So the first part of the walk is quite nice. It is through a forest, very nice road. And here on the left we see the Aegeri CH. Now it's quite a climb from the hospital up, but it is really really nice. Great weather and occasional some nice views from the Aegeri CH, but unfortunately it's all a little bit too misty, so let's hope that is becoming better in the course of the afternoon. Dog is having a great time, and the weather is fantastic, which also makes a real difference. So, and we're arriving now at the Dutchaperture farm, which is where we need to make a left turn for our ultra short 4.7 kilometer walk. And that is the Dutchaperture farm. And Paddy is in a hurry the entire trip. I think he smells a lot of animals like deer, etc. Well, this is really nice. Apparently we're going to go to a viewpoint. Paddy! Paddy! That is not the idea. Apparently he thinks different. Must be loving apple. Just like his boss. Yeah, come. And I must say, it's great that we are not walking across the road anymore, because a lot of cars there. But look, this is a sign which I really welcome. Unfortunately, the roads are quite icy in certain places. Really thick air. Paddy! Hey, come! But look! Lovely to walk here. So really blessed. We might actually be in for something spectacular, because I don't think the guy just arrived. I think he's going to take off. That's gonna be some spectacular footage. Interesting, loads of people are filming this. Whoa. Right. This is a duo combination. I've never seen that before. And another pair of heroes taking flight. Paths here are relatively tricky, very tricky. I must say I planned this trip only because I had to be in the clinic. It looked very boring when I planned it, but actually it's nice. If you live in the neighborhood, I think this is a nice trip. Now it is unexpectedly exciting because it's very slippery here. It is very wet and the ground still partly is frozen. So I made 2 or 3 very suspicious movements where I could stop myself last minute. So please keep that in mind to do this and make mental note to self. Take poles with me next time. Now this is Wildeberg, and yeah, we only have about a kilometer to go to the clinic. What an observation on my side. The first time I had that, the Hero 10 was stuck. The screen was on, but I could not record, I could not switch it on, I could not switch it off. It was completely frozen, so I had to take the battery out. But anyway, it's working again. And I'm so curious how it works, because I've never vlogged with this camera. So this is the first time that I take it with me really for vlogging, really checking out what the correct settings were, which is 10, 80, 24 with a linear lens. So curious how the results will be. Thank you so much again for walking with me. Now, unfortunately, the last 5 minutes of the trip of this hike are going to be a little bit boring, although this is a formal pilgrim's road looking at the houses around. I'm not sure how many pilgrims live here, and there we can already see the clinic. Thank you for walking with me. This was a really nice trip.